Hey there guys, I hope you're all fine. So in this tutorial we are going to learn how you can upload a video on your Facebook page. So without further ado, let's get started. So simply click on the Facebook app and now it will show you your primary account. Now if you want to switch to your page, what you need to do is click on this hamburger menu here. Click on it. And now what you will see is a number of sections here. What you need to do is simply click on the pages. Now I only have one page here. You might find multiple pages that you have created. So just click on switch now. Alright. Now what you need to do is click on this image section here. And it will show you a number of your videos, images, anything, etc. So simply click on this video. I'm going to click on this video. You can also edit some here. You can trim, you can mute it, you can add captions, or you can add the text that you want. You can draw here. Basically you can do anything you want. Alright. Now what we will do is we can also click on effects and add some effects here. I'm just going to leave it as it is. So now what you have to do is simply click on done. And if you want to add more, you can click on here. And if you want to write something about this video, you can simply write. And that's it. You have to simply click on next. Now you can change the settings from here. Who can see your post? And if you want to post now, or you can schedule for later, or you might want to add some collaborator. I'm just gonna click on post. Now it's posting here, as you can see. Alright, so this is how you can post a video on your Facebook page. So that's it for today guys. Hope you liked the video. See you soon.